Welcome to another installation and setup guide by Grid Connect. Today we're setting up the Orion Smart Wi-Fi Fingerprint Deadbolt lock. Start by unboxing your new Orion Smart Lock. The Orion Smart Lock requires a standard 54mm diameter cutout, as well as a 60 or 70mm backset. Your door should also be between 35 and 50mm thick. Use the included guide to make sure your door meets the installation requirements. When ready, proceed to drill the mounting hole directly above the main cutout. Locate the deadbolt latch. For a 60mm backset, the latch should be kept in the shorter position. However, if your door has a 70mm backset, twist the ends of the latch to extend it. Secure the latch to your door with the provided A1 screws. Make sure the latch is oriented correctly. Next, install the standoffs to the back of the front panel. Start with the longer standoff in the upper middle. Screw the two smaller standoffs into the two protruding points next to the spindle. If your door is less than 40mm thick, use pliers to carefully break off the last section of the spindle at the notch. Align the matching rubber seal to the front panel and press firmly around the edges to secure it in place. If the deadbolt latch is extended, use a flathead screwdriver to retract it. Align the spindle horizontally and insert the front panel into your latch until it is flush with your door. Use pliers to give your latch a quick test. Install the mounting plate on the inside of your door using the B3 30mm screws. Make sure that the spindle passes through the centre and that the cable is threaded through the right-hand slot. Identify whether your door is left or right hinged when viewed from the outside. Our door is left hinged, but yours may be different. There is a switch inside the back panel. Use L for left hinge doors and R for right hinge doors. Install the rubber seal for the back panel, pressing firmly to secure it in place. Next, remove the battery cover and connect the wire from the front panel to the connector at the base of the back panel. For left hinge doors, the knob on the back panel should be kept horizontal during installation. For right hinge doors, it should be kept vertical. Feed the excess cable inside the door and use two C-screws to secure the back panel to the mounting plate. Give your lock a quick test. After checking that your deadbolt can be controlled via the knob, install a third C-screw at the bottom of the back panel. Insert 4 AAA batteries and replace the battery cover. Wake the device with the back of your hand. Press 1 followed by the hash key to enter the setup menu. The default administrator password is 123456 followed by the hash key. Select 1 for user management and follow the prompts to create a new administrator. After adding the first user, your lock will exit demo mode. Your smart lock is now in normal mode. To add new users or administrators, wake the device and press 1 followed by the hash key. Then enter your password, tag or fingerprint. Now press 1 to enter user management and follow the prompts to create new users or administrators. To enter pairing mode, wake the smart lock and press 2 followed by the hash key. Log in with an administrator password, tag or fingerprint. The 5 key will begin flashing to indicate that the device is ready to pair. Inside the Grid Connect app, select Add Device and navigate to the section labelled Others. Follow the prompts and enter your Wi-Fi details to connect. When linking a user to the Grid Connect app, start by selecting the lock in your device list. Select Users at the bottom of the screen and tap the plus icon. If the user has a Grid Connect account and you would like them to manage your lock, select App User, otherwise choose Primary User. You'll be asked to give them a name, and you can then link the user to their assigned user number on the lock. Your lock can be operated by fingerprint, RFID tag or passcode. Each of these must be set up as a separate user directly in the lock, but they can be assigned to one name in the Grid Connect app, giving you any option to get into the door after a long day. One last step. Congratulations, your Orion Smart Wi-Fi lock is now set up and ready to use.